Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a herbal curative, a solution to all chronic ailments, Jigsimur. When sickness differs all treatments, try Jigsimur. Jigsimur is a sure cure to all chronic and minor ailments in the body system. As we all know that the level of acidosis in the body system makes the bacteria and fungi attack our cells, and they become so weak and dead that sicknesses and diseases can begin to reign in the body system. But when there is no solution to all these sicknesses and diseases, try Jigsimur. Jigsimur is made up of aloe ferox. Aloe ferox is the tallest among over 400 aloe species, and it grows in the Cape Town of South Africa. Aloe ferox has 28 times more aloin than aloe vera. Aloin extract contains atraquinine, and we have the content of calcium, magnesium, zinc, and all the substances that are rich in aloe ferox. This is a secret why Jigsimur is capable of curing all diseases that you can talk about. It may be difficult to believe, but I tell you today that Jigsimur cures all chronic ailments. If you talk about Jigsimur, Jigsimur is from South Africa, and it is a blend of herbs and roots. It is refined to treat stubborn ailments, especially those ones that you termed incurable. Jigsimur is brewed from the sap found in the aloe ferox plant, which grows mainly in the Cape Town of South Africa. Jigsimur is not like every other supplement. Jigsimur is a curative. Do not term Jigsimur as a supplement, because Jigsimur does not only manages a sickness or an ailment. Jigsimur cures it because it boosts your immune system, that your immune system will be able to fight all chronic diseases and ailments in your body system. See, Jigsimur is an antioxidant. It contains phytonutrients. It has an anti-aging element, which makes it so ideal for both the young and the old. Jigsimur has no negative side effects whatsoever. I can tell you categorically that when there is no solution to that sickness, when it has defied all medical treatment, use Jigsimur. Jigsimur is for both the rich and the poor. The rich man needs Jigsimur to enjoy his wealth, while the poor man needs Jigsimur to actually stay fit and make some income. All right, so Jigsimur is a blessing to humanity. Jigsimur treats different types of ailments that you can mention. It contains over 200 nutrients, which makes it so possible to cure all ailments that can come to mind. Jigsimur has more than 30 different amino acids that the body needs. So intake of Jigsimur, consumption of Jigsimur gives your body all the nutrients that your body needs. It detoxifies the system. It has excellent detoxifying elements for the body. Jigsimur has a high oxygen radical absorbent capacity. Jigsimur takes care of all the toxins in the body, that it tries to eradicate every toxins in your body. due to the foods we eat, due to the waters we drink, the air we breathe in. We have toxins in all our body system, which makes it possible for diseases to thrive because our body is full of acid. Among many other ailments that Jigsimur cures are listed. We have little of them here, a few of them listed here: cancer, arthritis, gout, hypertension, diabetes, migraine, insomnia, gall and kidney stones, throat infection, heartburn, colic, stomach ulcers, hepatitis B, HIV, AIDS, bladder infection, throat infection, hemorrhoid, constipations, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, weak erection, fibroids, conjunctivitis. You talk about cancer, you talk about prostate enlargement, prostate cancers, talk about ovarian cyst, talk about fibroids, talk about breast cancer, talk about lumps, talk about growth, talk about migraine, talk about any ailment in the body. Jigsimur does cures it. Jigsimur is used to excellently detoxify the system. It is used to treat even epilepsy. Jigsimur treats colds and pneumonia. Jigsimur is good for constipation. Jigsimur is very good for fallopian tube blockage. It is orally used to treat infertility issues. Whatever is causing infertility, be it fibroid, be it infections, be it low sperm count, be it erectile dysfunction, Jigsimur is gonna take care of all this. Jigsimur treats all, it helps in all surgical wounds and bad sores. It makes them heal faster. Jigsimur is excellently used to treat high blood pressure and hypertension. For diabetes, Jigsimur is very good. Now listen very carefully. Do not take Jigsimur orally if you are pregnant or you are a breastfeeding mother. If you have been on any orthodox medication before you come across Jigsimur, take Jigsimur 2 to 3 hours after you have taken. Take your orthodox medication 2 to 3 hours after you have taken Jigsimur. That is, before you take your orthodox medication, make sure you have taken your Jigsimur 2 hours ahead of time, 2 to 3 hours before then. Jigsimur is being taken for first thing in the morning and last thing at night, and you take 2.5% to 40 ml, 2.5 ml to 40 ml of Jigsimur before you can conclude that Jigsimur is too much for the body system. 40 ml is okay, not more than 40 ml and not less than 2.5 ml. Now note this fact: there is no virus or bacteria that can live in an alkaline environment. Our body is filled with acidic substances. Therefore, we have a wide we have a large content of acidic elements in the body system, but Jigsimur alkalinizes the body. Once you have a strong immune system, your body can fight against all ailments successfully. Jigsimur will build your immune system and make your body fight against it. The cell are the basic determinant of life, as we all know. Jigsimur will repair every weak and dead cells. Now, like I said earlier, Jigsimur will balance the composition of acid and alkaline substances in the body. The level of acidity and the level of alkalinity, it will be balanced by Jigsimur, therefore making your body being able to resist all ailments. Thank you for listening to this wonderful presentation. I want you to watch all the testimonies here, and believe you me, there is no testimony in Jigsimur that is being fabricated. They are being shared the way they are being testified by end users. As you can see here, this is breast cancer, and this one you are seeing here is a sore, a very big sore due to diabetes. Jigsimur takes care of this. because Jigsimur is very, very active for high sugar level. Jigsimur is very active for high blood pressure, and you can see here this is another breast cancer. After taking Jigsimur for a while, Jigsimur takes care of that particular breast cancer. People ask us, does Jigsimur really cure HIV? Yes, Jigsimur cures HIV. Now look at this testimony, the diabetic sore that we have been battling with for the past 7 months. Jigsimur did wonder by curing it. Now look at this testimony. Even the person that sold Jigsimur to this person they have not met face to face, but Jigsimur took care of the ailment. And if you look at this, my brother, I'm very happy with the news. That is a particular man whose doctor actually restricted from taking Jigsimur, but yet Jigsimur cures his ailment. Fibroid testimony, we have different fibroid testimony, many of them that has been treated of fibroid. And if you look at this is one of our Facebook pages. Presently I bought 3 bottles for my wife to cure cancer. Thank God I have noticed some difference. Doctor told me, that is, doctor said there could be no cure, but now he's seeing a great difference. His dad has several complications arising from prostate cancer. At a point he can neither walk, sit, but Jigsimur does the magic. Now you can see this. I got a call this morning from a team member at Ife. A patient with hepatitis B bought Jigsimur from him, and after consuming 1 bottle. So when we talk about total cure, I am telling you, it is dependent on the body chemistry. It is your body chemistry that determines how many bottles you are going to take to be cured. It is the body system that will determine that. What cures the quantity that cures Mr. A is different from that cures Mr. B. That cures Mr. B is different from Mr. C. So keep taking Jigsimur, no matter the level, the severity of ailment you are battling with. Jigsimur will surely take care of it. Thank you for following up with this wonderful presentation. I wish you all the best in this journey of treatment.